What's going on YouTube? It's LCDSmartKey.com. We're here doing a quick test on the 2018 Ford Fusion. Let's go ahead and get into the features. Alright, we're going to do trunk. Perfect. We're going to do alarm. Nice. Let's go over and click on lock and unlock. Lock. Cool. Unlock. Great. Now let's do the physical buttons on this one. This is the V4. I don't know if I mentioned it. It's 2018 Ford Fusion on the V4 smart key. Okay. Let's do the physical button down here at the bottom for alarm. I'm gonna hit the power button at the same time. Alarm. Okay, now you can see it. Now let's do lock up here at the top. Let's do unlock. And then let's do the trunk button right here on the back. Great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mail this one out. I gotta hurry up and get to work, so we're gonna overnight this one. And if you want to get one of these done for your Ford Fusion or your Ford F-150, Ford Explorer, I do all of those at LCDSmartKey.com. You can also click on the eBay link in the description of this video. Subscribe and like the video. I appreciate you guys. See you later.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.